Have you ever seen the bow? African sheep? This is the family of sheep. This is the father, the male one, very big and healthy. They are hornless. They're not like those ones of Europe which have horns. Ours, they don't have horns, but they are good. They are also resistant to diseases. They are indigenous breed. They're not mixed at all. Look at this big one. Look at this big male one. Very calm. They are not hostile. They are friendly to us. Yeah, look at the taste of them. Very big. Those are our local sheep. Whoever like the kid, just make your order. They're over. They are grazing at zero grazing. This is the This one is tired.